what's in P.O.S. machine. So, first thing I noticed right off the bat, bases, cast aluminum. So, this is, I don't know, it's a couple pounds, pretty good chunk of cast aluminum. There's a few screws around the side. There's a side panel, there's one panel there, one there. Hard drives missing, no problem. So, upon taking the perimeter screws out, let's cut this wire real quick. Get that out of the way. Upon taking the screws out and lifting it out, oh, this ain't plastic. The whole back is cast aluminum as well. That's awesome. So, we got a stick of RAM in there, and there's a CPU underneath there. I had no idea, I've never scrapped one of these. Never had this apart. So, I don't know, let's see, let's see what kind of CPUs are in these. Hopefully something good. Hopefully. I think these are just junk ones. Yeah. Just Pentiums, but hey, that's alright. That's alright. But that's pretty cool. A lot of cast aluminum. The only thing that's plastic is the front, the whole back, base, all cast aluminum. Get a nice board in there. A nice little chunk of copper too in here. CPU, stick of RAM, a little bit of wire. Right on.